along. The next two songs are part of a eventual 4 seasons set that I'm gonna do. I'm still working on summer, but tonight I'm just gonna do winter and spring. So the winter one, the setup for this is, have you ever met somebody and they were really nice and you really liked them, but they just wouldn't stop talking? Like, ever. And you're like, I can't take this much stuff coming at me, like it's just way too much. So this song is about that. It's called Verbal Blizzard. Exactly. You're laughing, so I know you know what I'm talking about here. And then the next one after that is called Springing Back. I've only played this one out once, actually, so it's brand new. And I'm, as a songwriter, I'm pretty proud of this one because I got to use all of these words that I probably will never use again in a song. I basically looked up all these gardening terms and I just shoved as many of them into the song as I possibly could. So you'll hear a few that I'm like, I'm never gonna get to use that word in a song again. And I'm so excited that I got to do it. So listen out for those. But first Verbal Blizzard and then Springing Back.
My heart has been watered by
on my